Alright guys, so the next unboxing product that I wanted to do for you before I embark on my journey is right here. It is a box. And shades. And so shades are important, enough said, but I wanted to talk about them because I've had some nice shades before. I used to wear Ray-Bans for at least 4 years, probably 5-6 years. I had a nice pair of Ray-Bans, and that was kind of like my main shades until my landlord, who owns a shoe store, it's called goodr shoe store in Mo'iliili. So if you guys are in the area, go check them out. But she gave me these as a good luck on your travels present, and this is by the brand called goodr. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know if it's goo doctor or goodr or go odor, whatever. But this brand is awesome, guys. Apparently, according to my landlord, it is a startup, or it was a Kickstarter brand, and so I guess they didn't really blow up yet, but they retail for around $25 to $35 depending on the one. This one retails for around $25, but my landlord gave it to me for free. It comes with one of these nice pouches that can clean the lenses. I don't know what that material is called, but it cleans the lenses pretty well. And the reason why I wanted to talk about these shades specifically is because they were made by runners, apparently, and so they fit to your face perfectly, no matter how much you shake your head around. You could be running, you could be sweating. I've tried these out. I went biking on these, and I've never had any problems. But with the other shades that I would wear, they were really only good for walking, and if I were to start moving around a lot, they would move around my face. But these fit solid to your face without feeling like it's tight either. So it has like a nice flexible but yet secure feel, and they look great. They're polarized. It has all pretty much the same thing that makes the lenses and Ray-Bans and other fancy sunglasses good is in here as well. And so your vision it looks great. And so just wanted to show you what it looks like. And so this is what the shades look like on the face. It looks like normal shades, but it feels good, and it looks like looking from the inside looks good. And I just want to show you some samples of why it doesn't fall off. So alright, so this is me looking silly just so I can show you that they're not going to fall off my face. Okay, see, it didn't even move. So, best pair of shades I've ever had. I'm not really going to buy nice sunglasses anymore because this is where it's at. This is the best pair of shades in the entire world, in my opinion. And here it is. Let me show you the box one more time. We'll get back in the sun. goodr, or goo doctor, or go odor, however you pronounce it. This is the brand. Go check them out. I'm sure you can Google search them and pick up a pair because they're awesome. So anyway, that's about it for this video, and looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So talk to you later. Peace.